I'm gonna come down and pick a volunteer. I'm gonna get real close to you. Don't worry, I'm not a U.S. senator, so you're safe. This isn't a Me Too moment. Zach.
Yeah.
All right, stand up, please. Don't worry, you're safe. It's a, come on.
Yeah,
It's a Plexxis production, not a Harvey Weinstein production.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, show me your surprised, like wow face. No, not that you're going in to see your proctologist. Like your best, like wow face.
Wow.
Yes, sweet. All right, at the end of this, we're gonna show our new app that we're releasing, and that's the face that everyone's gonna have. Right. For those of you who don't know, what we do at Plexxis is we unite your entire team into one system, estimating, project management, field apps, accounting, all together in one system. And when you do that, it enables a whole different level of functionality in the regular functions that you would see in other products.
Completing PO requisitions on Plexxis Mobile shows how fast our touch and go app is compared to detail entry apps that slow foremen down. Now watch how easy foremen can select items from a job-specific database or even a massive company-wide database. Our touch and go apps auto-generate the PDF documentation and deliver it directly to the office. The PO requisition is automatically converted into a purchase order so it can be reviewed, modified, sent to the vendor or warehouse, and committed directly to the budget.